Whew. All right, so update on the hot water heater. After I picked up the parts, started working on the B vent. And it was a little bit challenging because you're not allowed to cut the pieces and they had to fit together exactly. So I had to do a little bit of finagling, but I believe I got everything together. So as you can see, I used my reducer down here. I had a hard time fitting the reducer, the 4" to 3" to the B vent because I had to slip it inside the inner vent. And that was not the easiest considering they're about the same size. So once I was actually able to finagle a way in there, I was able to push this down very hard. Now the biggest, most important thing here is that when the air goes up, it needs to not have any gaps. So since it's going to the inner liner, it's going to go in the inner liner all the way up. And then that goes up to the chimney. So, big lessons learned. Wow. Plumbing is fun. Definitely order more parts than you need because I actually ended up using an extra part that I didn't realize that I would be using. And I'm happy everything fit because it definitely took a toll on me to get this going. So I was able to secure the bottom reducer to the water heater, and I was also able to secure the B vent to the vent going up out of the chimney. I have not secured the individual compartments with individual screws as of yet, just for the fact that I'm looking forward to getting the hot water heater working first. And then the additional screws will be something that once everything's up and running, I will do that after. So, wanted to give you an update, but now working on the thermocouple and putting the water heater back together. So, wish me luck. Thanks.